Are you looking to over-engineer something to pad your promotion packet like a FANG software engineer? You come to the right place. Today we're building Grandma's cookie recipe site the right way by massively over-engineering it using AWS. This will be fun, using a bazooka to kill a fly. So let's do this. So you've got a 10-page website to show off Grandma's cookie recipes. First, you will want to host your 10 pages in S3. But not just in one bucket. Use different buckets for HTML, images, CSS, and JS. Then front it with CloudFront for caching you definitely don't need. Make sure you use Route 53 for DNS, because more services are always better. Next, you will need an API to dynamically adjust the recipes. For this, you will want to containerize the APIs. Yeah, it could easily be done client-side, but what's the fun in that? Build Docker images for each API, store them in ECR, and manage deployments with EKS. Scale up your cluster across multiple availability zones, and pay for EC2 instances you don't need. And set up API Gateway and ELB. Connect them to your containers to return the ingredients in JSON. You'll impress all your developer friends with this setup. For extra protection, use Kinesis data streams and Firehose to ingest all your site analytics that no one will send. Use SQS to decouple your recipe publishing pipeline. Whenever Grandma adds a recipe, send it through a queue. Process recipes asynchronously for a robust architecture. Next up, databases, the backbone of any over-engineered project. For Grandma's recipe website, we'll need a ton here. Let's kick things off with DynamoDB, shall we? We'll use it to track every single visitor interaction in real time. Did someone hover over a chocolate chips cookie for 3.2 seconds? Into the database it goes. You can later use this goldmine of irrelevant data to hyper-personalize recipe recommendations. Then go ahead and set up RDS Postgres for relational data like your mailing list. Don't forget to replicate across multiple AZs. And Redshift too. Your 1,000-row Excel sheet will query blazingly fast now. Don't forget Elasticsearch for when you absolutely positively have to know every recipe that includes the word cocoa within 3 milliseconds. And introduce a full-text search feature so powerful that it brings up recipes even your grandma forgot she had. And CloudWatch would be perfect for setting up intricate monitoring and triggering alarms when your CPU hit 1%. Glue CloudTrail into it to see who's hammering your website with 10 visits a day. And there you have it, Grandma's cookie recipe hosted on AWS. We managed to cram in a mere fraction of the billions of AWS services. I'm sure we could dream up even more ridiculous ways to over-engineer this. So let us know in the comment if you have ideas for making this site even more robust. Shall we add blockchain? Biometric recipe access? The possibilities are endless. We want to make Grandma proud. If you like our videos, you may like our system design newsletter as well. It covers topics and trends in large-scale system design, trusted by 550,000 readers. Subscribe at blog.bytego.com.